Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Munchin' with my mini-me. I get a lot of the time I am told that my son Hunter looks like a little mini-me, and I do.
Let's compare it. Yeah,
compare it?
kind of.
Yeah, we look alike.
Let's get started immediately.
Okay, one sec. I'm taking my glasses off because there's a glare, because it is dark outside. This, one second.
We better hurry up.
This kicks off our new channel. This is the first video we're going to be posting as being our like taste testing type video. So welcome if you're new here.
Yes.
I'm looking a little washed out, so don't mind that. But today's first video for our new channel is, of course, Crumbl cookie. That's the first video I think Hunter and I did a taste test video on. So
ever.
This week there are some really good good cookies. Okay. So the first one, are we trying the waffle one you said because you want to try it warm?
Put it here.
I already heated this up. So the best thing for us to do,
is just grab it right now and just eat it. We're
going to open up the maple syrup that they gave us. And real quick, let's do an up close. All right, these are the ones that we got this week. And the first one we're going to try is this waffle one with the maple syrup. And I'll try to give you guys an up close on all of the other ones. But this one we heated up and it kind of fell apart a little bit. But we're going to take a good bite of it.
Yeah.
Hunter and I
it's not freaking syrup, is it?
Yes. Hunter and I do have tons of other Crumbl cookie videos. If you'd like to check those out, be sure you look for the playlist that is Crumbl cookie. That's called Crumbl cookie.
Somebody just said.
All right.
Okay. What? Can I?
No, this piece is for you.
Oh. Me? Really yummy.
Okay. Hard to dip it in. Okay, that is pretty good. I've had their waffle one before, and I liked it. You have to have the topping and the syrup with it in order for it to taste like a waffle. But that one is good. It's definitely like a good experience in a cookie. All right. Next up, we are going to be trying this one right here. Again, I'm bad at remembering their names. But here is what, sorry, that's really bright. Here is, yeah. Here is what this looks like. Sorry, y'all. It's a little bright because it's dark outside. There we go. First bite.
Oh.
We're going to try to get these videos up a lot sooner in the week. In the daylight. We usually like doing these ones in the car.
It's really good, right?
Mm-hmm. I like this one. This frosting is bomb.
We've had this one before.
Yeah. That one's pretty bomb.
I'm choosing the next one.
Okay.
Mama, guess which one I'm going to choose.
S'mores.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
You pick that up. I'm not.
This is the s'mores, and Hunter is excited for this one. This boy, he likes like the s'mores Pop-Tarts, but this one has so many layers to it, and it just looks absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm going to let you just take a big bite of that. Okay? You almost got all the layers. Here, I'll break it in half. That way you can get some of the middle. Definitely one that you should use a fork with. I mean, I just got off work, so he's been waiting for me to get off work to do this video.
Can we both try that?
This one is good, y'all.
Drink break.
Trying to like see about the chocolate ganache
Probably
in
not.
there. That is good. It's not overly rich. Kind of expected it to be,
It's really good.
but it's good. I like that one. I think it's got more of like a lighter flavor than I expected. I got Hunter. This one is his all-time favorite, just the regular chocolate chip from Crumbl. We're not going to test this one out. Of course, he'll be able to eat that, but it's like not my fave. We'll try the cheesecake first and then the peanut butter, because I know Crumbl Cookies peanut butter one is pretty overpowering. It's kind of shocking that I did get the peanut butter one, but it did look, where's our forks? It did look pretty good because it is stuffed. All right, so next up is I'm pretty sure this is the strawberry cheesecake. And I don't know if we've ever had a cheesecake from Crumbl. But let me make sure I get...
We have a cheesecake from Crumbl before, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Here. It is strawberry. You want better of a bite?
Mm-mm.
Do you not like it?
Mm. Oh, yeah, not for me.
You really don't like that?
No, do you?
Sorry, you look in your face. So cute. No to you? I think it's pretty bomb.
I think it's bad.
What do you not like about it?
I guess it's just, I just don't like that there's the jelly on it.
Oh.
This doesn't,
And usually you're a jelly person.
I know, it's just, not now.
I don't think you really
No.
like the cheesecake consistency, right?
Probably.
Yeah. That's pretty good, y'all. I recommend that one. Okay,
I don't.
let's try this one right here.
Boring. Probably.
Again,
maybe
sorry,
it's
I do not remember the names. I'll do better at that. This is definitely a peanut butter one. And it is stuffed with some type of peanut butter as well. So we can break this one in half.
Oh, yeah. Peanut butter.
Whoop, see? Okay, so there's something in the middle. So here. You hold that one. And you could take a bite of the middle. Okay. Or I'll hold it. Let's see. I think it's better than any of their other peanut butter cookies. I just don't think it's like, oh my gosh, you had to have it. This to me is kind of like a Reese's peanut butter cup, but I personally like Reese's peanut butter cups a lot better. Not bad. That was all 6
Ratings?
cookies. Well, all 5 cookies besides the chocolate chips. Which one's your favorite?
Second favorite, first favorite.
First favorite was the waffle, you said?
Mm-hmm.
You like the waffle over the s'mores one?
Oh, the s'mores is 2 and 2.
What do you mean?
Where's the waffle? And this?
Yeah.
And this is a 2. This is a 3. On the rating.
Oh, okay.
It's really good.
My favorite, I don't even know. I think the cheesecake and the s'mores like cake are tied. And then the 2 other ones, I think I like the vanilla cupcake, I think it's called, one. And then the s'mores, no, the waffle one. And then the peanut butter one is last. They're a pretty good lineup. Yeah, there was a giveaway going on this channel already. And we are picking the winner for that, so stay tuned. That'll be announced right after this video is over. So stay tuned for like the credits, I guess you'd call. So yeah, stay tuned for that in just a second. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you did not see my previous post about the channel like change and whatnot, definitely check that out as well. I feel like y'all will like what we're changing and how I'm going to start doing things. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye. Mini-Me says goodbye.
And we're